Samsung fans, get ready, the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks are starting to surface, and while things are still early, there's already a lot to be excited about. From a next-gen 200MP camera sensor to a potential farewell to the S Pen, this 2026 flagship could change everything. Let's break down the wildest rumors and what they could mean for your next upgrade. Early leaks and prototype hype. Although these are just early leaks based on prototype models, we're already seeing major hints about what the Galaxy S26 Ultra might bring. And while not every rumor is reliable, these insights often reflect Samsung's internal testing trends, and some of them are seriously intriguing. Camera upgrades, 200MP, variable aperture, and more. One standout leak? The possible return of the variable aperture camera, a feature we last saw on the Galaxy S9. Paired with a 200MP ISOCELL sensor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might deliver unmatched low-light performance and enhanced depth control. Now, while some wild rumors suggested two 200MP sensors or dual periscope lenses, insiders say Samsung's sticking with one advanced 200MP shooter, but with refined pixel structure and improved optics. The S Pen controversy, is it leaving us? Here's a bombshell. Reports suggest Samsung might be planning to remove the S Pen from future Galaxy S models to make room for new hardware. The Galaxy S25 already saw the S Pen downgraded with no Bluetooth, and now, whispers say the S26 could be the last flagship to support it. The twist? The S26 Ultra will still include the S Pen, but without Qi 2 compatible magnets, you'll probably need a special case to use magnetic accessories. Performance-wise, Samsung could once again split its chipsets by region, with Exynos possibly making a comeback in certain markets. Early Galaxy S26 Ultra prototypes reportedly use the same 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the S25 Ultra, but paired with upgraded optics and next-gen processing, we could see better photo results without increasing sensor size. So what do these leaks tell us? The Galaxy S26 Ultra could be Samsung's most refined Ultra yet. Not a complete overhaul, but a smart evolution with smarter cameras, leaner design choices, and regional performance boosts.